Welcome to Club UX. So, what kind of data are you looking for when you are conducting user research? Are you looking for numeric information or are you looking for more in-depth textual kind of information from the users? Well, the kind of questions you ask will determine the kind of answers that you get back in return. And unless and until you know how to read the mind of other person, you cannot really get the answers from them. So while with closed-ended questions you get limited response from the respondents, open-ended questions helps you to get wider information and in-depth information from the users. And in this video we are going to cover what are open-ended questions. We will discuss it with some help of examples, when to ask open-ended questions, and we will also discuss some do's and don'ts. So open-ended questions are the kind of questions which requires the respondent to elaborate their perspectives and point of view. They are not answered by a simple yes or no. Thereby allows you to probe deep into the respondent answers while gaining valuable information about the subject in hand. These questions ask a lot of how, where, when, and allows the researcher to probe deep into the user behavior. The kind of answers that you get are subjective in nature, which has to be later on analyzed by the researcher, which reveals a lot of data-driven insights. Let's understand it with the help of some examples. Let's suppose that there is a new restaurant that has opened up. You visit the restaurant to enjoy your dinner. Everything was good. Food was good, the ambience was great, however, you were shocked to see the bill. They charge you an exorbitant amount of money for the small amount of quantity that you got in return. And in fact, the service was slow as well. Now let's suppose that the restaurant manager comes up and asks you, "Did you enjoy your food today?" Now you see, it's a closed-ended question because you can only answer in a yes or no. Now let's suppose that the hotel manager, the restaurant manager asks you, "How was your experience with us, sir or ma'am?" Now you see, you can start a conversation. You can discuss your mixed feelings with the restaurant manager and can also give some suggestions on how to make the dine-in much better. This is an open-ended question. Some of the other examples of open-ended questions are when somebody asks you, "Tell me something about yourself." It is more or like an icebreaker question, which helps in starting a conversation with the other person. Another example can be when you go for your job interviews and the interviewer asks you, "What are the goals that you want to accomplish?" It helps the interviewer to get a sneak peek into what are your goals, what are your passion, what are you striving for in your life. This is also an open-ended question. We have identified 4 common scenarios where open-ended questions are used to get a lot of information from the users. Number 1 is while conducting qualitative research. Qualitative research is an explorative kind of a research which relies on asking open-ended questions and helps the researcher get a lot of information about the beliefs, opinions, perspectives, and more directly from the users. Number 2 is while conducting usability testing. Conducting usability testing with the target users helps the design and development team uncover usability issues in the initial stages of product development. They can ask a lot of open-ended questions from the target users, like what are the problems that you have encountered? Can you elaborate on that? Number 3 is in conjunction with closed-ended questions. So a simple scenario can be something like when you start a conversation with the other person. For example, "Where were you born?" It's a closed-ended question because the respondent can only answer in a simple and concise answer. And the open-ended question can be followed up by saying something like, "Oh, so how was your experience like while growing up at this location?" This is an open-ended question. And number 4 is while conducting job interviews. In job interviews, a lot of open-ended questions are asked. An interview question can be something like, "Tell me something about yourself. What do you think about this latest technology that has been brought into the industry?" Now let's discuss some do's and don'ts while asking open-ended questions. Do ask a lot of what, why, how, and motivate the respondent to elaborate their answers with the help of some examples. Make them feel comfortable and make sure that you are an active and patient listener. Don't ask a broad and lengthy question and don't encourage lengthy answers. You will get confused. Don't give prompts. Don't force for answers if they do not want to divulge more information. And don't interrupt while respondents are answering. So guys, I hope that the concept around open-ended questions are now clear to you. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. You can check out our website yukti.io and check out the articles there. And make sure that you subscribe to Club UX for more videos on UI, UX and UX research.